Okay, guys, this is the attachment practical quiz volume 3. As you all know, we've been on this tester.io or how to actually pass all these tester.io tests and quizzes and everything. So this is like the third volume of this section, and I'm going to be showing you practical how to actually pass this practically live. And don't forget, guys, you actually need to still listen to the videos on the platform, and of course read the articles, because even though you pass this particular test, even though you pass the test the way I'm going to be showing you, you're definitely going to pass. But even though you pass this test, you still need the knowledge behind the passing of the test, because it's that knowledge that you're going to use when you get to this platform to be able to like work and actually get paid. Because if you didn't do the test very well, like if you are not able to do the actual test and you're going to get you paid on this platform very well, you are still not going to be paid. So let me know who is ready to do the attachment practical test from test.io, of course, and start making money online, of course, making up to $300 every day. I know you're ready, guys. Now welcome back to Next Lance, and of course I remain your one and only Olawale Yusuf. You all know how we do it on this platform. We teach people how to make money online through various ways, and of course so they can be independent and of course start living the life of their dreams. Now if you've been watching all my videos so far, you know how I do it right here. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, smash the bell icon, and of course give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying it so far, and of course share it with your family and friends, those that have been following it from volume 1 up to this moment. Give you guys a kudos, and you're definitely going to start working immediately. Now without wasting your time, let's go right here and get this done with. Alright guys, welcome back. Now the next one is the attachment practical task. So the attachment practical task, now this is the next one. Now this is a little bit crazy, guys, because we're actually doing this for real now. Okay, they're telling us to actually reproduce a bug, and we have to pass. Like if we didn't pass, if we're not passing, if we did not pass, then we can't move on. And this is like real test, like the way you do an actual real bug report. That's how we are going to do this in order for us to actually pass. Okay, so now because these people, they actually need us to actually record all our screen, then I'm going to have to like close this so that I'm going to try to find a way to actually not make them know that I'm actually recording this. Okay, how do we do that? Okay, it's no big deal. We're just gonna record it like that and give it to them. Okay, I'm just gonna give it to them like that. So no big deal. Let's just leave it. It's not a big thing that I'm actually recording though. I don't think they can actually know. So let's just be sure that they can know. So let me close anything. Okay, I don't have anything open, so fine. Okay, now this is what they need us to do. Attachment practical test. You're going to get this exact kind of test. Okay, now I just want you to follow the way I do my own and do your own. You can't copy my own, no, because you're definitely going to upload a video. Okay, so you need a recording, a video recording stuff. Then I think they've given you different types. If you don't have a video recording, you can see right here one of all these videos. You can see suggested tools for desktop recording. They said you can use screen power, you can use bandicam, and it's free. And if you are using a Mac, you can use, there's a free tool on Mac, just follow them. Okay, so it's not compulsory to use their own though. You can use any one that you have. If you have another one, take for example, for me now I'm using my own. Okay, so now this is what they want us to do, and you can see right there we only have 4 attempts, which means if we did not pass after 4 attempts, then it's so. Now these are the main reason why I'm doing this for you guys, because I want you guys to pass. Because once you don't pass, you can't create an account. Test.io is very crazy. You can't create an account. Okay, one of my students that tried it earlier, he got bounced out. Okay, sorry about that. Now let's get started. Now these are the steps to reproduce. Step 1, we should open this particular page. Then step 2, we should enter test.io app in the search field. Then step 3, we should click on text now mobile app, which is the article in the suggestion search suggestion. Then we should click on the Google Play link. Then after that, we should click on test IOGMBH link that is next to the text now / crowd testing, so in the title section. Then we should now scroll down and play the video. Then we should click on the full screen button so that the video can show in full screen. So we follow every of this step precisely. Then the URL must be visible. Then the current date and time must also be visible so they can actually see it. Then the maximum size of the file should not be more than 25 MB. Wow. Okay, I think we will know how to find a way around that. Then the file format should be in MP4. Okay, now they've given us all these steps, and as we can see, it is the steps to reproduce. Steps to reproduce, which means we are going to try to make sure that the video is no longer than 15 seconds. Wow, that's crazy. Okay, so that means the video should not be longer than 15 seconds because it's a reproduction. You can see steps to reproduce, it's a bug reproduction. So now all we have to do is we need to focus on how to do all these things one after the other and be fast about it because 15 seconds is very short. So I'm going to try to I'm just going to take a screenshot of this with my phone. Let's hold on, guys. The reason I'm going to take a picture of it with my phone so that I don't have to be trying to come back there, and I can have something I can be looking at. You understand? So I can be knowing what else to do. So we are going to be fast at the same time. Okay. So let's do this. Okay, I already have the picture on my phone. Now let's start. Okay, I'm already recording, so it's no big deal. I'm just going to cut this particular recording for them, so it's really no big deal. So I need 15 seconds and it starts. 1 2 3 go. Now it starts now. Oh, this is getting crazy. The next time I'm supposed to enter test IO app in the search feed, which is here. Wow, I think we already failed this, but it's no big deal. You just have to try and start again. Okay, just have to start again. Okay, and since they asked us to start from this page, we should open this page, so we don't necessarily have to start by clicking this already. Since I already clicked it, I'm just going to start from here directly. I don't think they can blame me for that. So then I'm going to search. I'm going to enter this into the search feed. So let me just copy it down so it will make my job a little bit faster. So then after that, I'm going to click test now mobile app in the article. Okay, test now mobile app article. That the search suggestion brought for me. Then after that, I'm going to click Google Pay. Okay. Now let's start. Let's say I'm already here, so we're going to start. 1 2 3 go. This is open. Then let's search for this and this. Then we want to teach this test now mobile app. Good. Okay, then we want to click Google Pay. Okay, we want to click text IOGMB. Okay, I can't see any tests. IOG. Oh, this test IOGMB. Oh, sorry. Okay, the time is up. The time is up, so we're going to go back. We're going back here, and we're starting again. Guys, you can see how I'm doing this. This is not magic. We just have to make sure that we are actually correct. Okay, because if we're not correct, we can't pass. And it has to be 15 seconds. Okay, and you can see we have a lot of things to do. So the way I did it 2-3 times now, I'm already getting familiar with it. Okay, you don't have to say you want to upload the first one. Don't worry, they will not know. Okay, so let's start again. I'm going to let this thing load before we start. Okay, so if you are recording your own, open this first, then now start recording from here. So I'm going to start recording now. 1 2 go. Okay, so this is what they want us to do, and we are done. Okay, I'm actually talking in this video, so because I'm talking, I'm going to have to mute my own mic. Like when I'm saving this video, I'm going to mute the mic before I upload it for them. Okay, so guys, I'm just going to pause this video. I'm going to go ahead and save this video, and I'm going to pause. I'm going to mute the audio so they don't actually hear me saying all these things I'm saying to you guys. Now let's give me a minute. I'm going to be back. Alright, welcome back guys. So I have actually saved it. So now let's just upload the attachment and we're going to hope that we actually pass. Okay. I think I saved it with practical something. So practical task. Okay, this is it. I saved it with practical task. Okay. Okay, so our video is uploaded, practical task. Okay, now this video is a little bit over 15 seconds, and the reason why it's a little bit over 15 seconds is because the time it took me to when I was clicking on the links one after the other. Let's do it again so you can actually see. I was actually very fast, as you can see, but oh sorry. Test IO app. So I want to show you the reason why it's a little bit over. It was around because the video is around 35 around 35 seconds. Okay, so if yours also have that kind of issue, then you don't have to worry. Just make sure it's not like it's up to like 1 minute to just 30 something, 40 is still okay. If that's the reason why it's long, they've already stated it in their screenshot. Let me show you so it doesn't look like I'm telling you. I'm just talking about things that is not true with you. Okay, you can see right here it says also screencasts that are longer than 1 minute for bug report, 15 seconds for reproduction and user story will not be accepted unless they are really necessary to understand the bug or the video is long because of variables you can't control, such as slow website and everything. So if the reason why your own video too is slow is because of those things. For example, now I came here, I clicked this place very fast, but this one was taking time to load. Then I came here, I clicked this one too very fast, but it was still taking time to load. And it was loading like one after the other. Then this one was even the worst one. When I click on this video like this, it took me like 10 seconds. It was, as you can see it was rolling and rolling and rolling and rolling and rolling. So this one is not actually my fault. Then I clicked here and it was still rolling again before I now click here to view it at full screen. Okay, so all this was not my fault. So it wasn't like I did not click it very fast. So it was just the website that is slow, or maybe it's my network, who knows. But at least it's not my fault. So because of that, I left the video like that because they can see that it's not like I'm the one that is slow. It is the website that is loading small. Now, let's submit this report and hope that we not get busted. Submit. So I'm guessing this will probably take a while. Okay, as you can see, it says thank you for your submission. Your submission is under review. A team leader will review your submission within 30 minutes. Okay, so they said it's going to be submitted in 30 minutes, so I should just come back and check after 30 minutes. So guys, we're going to be back here after 30 minutes to check the video. Then after that, we're going to be coming back here to do functional bug reports, visual content bug reports. So stay tuned guys. But for now, let's come back after 30 minutes and see if we actually pass or not. You can see right here. Okay guys, welcome back. So I just got a mail that it has been reviewed and it's not even up to 30 minutes. So isn't that cool guys? Okay, so let's just go over and check. Let's see if we pass or on our failure. I guess we're just gonna go here, learning portal. Okay, and where are we? We're still on this section. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Okay, bug report attachment. Oh, I think we passed.
I think, oh wow, you can see just on the first try. This is crazy. Wow, 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 wow. This is good, guys. Now, guys, you see that's how these have been done. So now watch out for the next video. I'm gonna be doing this, which is the bug report. So the next video is gonna be the actual bug report. Now this one is crazy, oh. So don't take it as a joke. This next video, which is the bug report, that's the most craziest one because we are gonna actually do a bug report by ourselves. No, this one they won't even teach us anything now. Now we just have to like do it one after the other by ourselves. Okay, so watch out for the next video, guys. See you when I see you. It's not a goodbye, but it's a good day.